Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I just received an email from one of my subscribers, and he was talking about the new Tecsun PL-990, which he informed me that he contacted Tecsun about when they might be delivering it. And apparently they delivered some early versions that have some problems, and the final production version is unknown when it's going to be delivered. So I did a search on this website, excuse me, SWLING, and here's a recent article saying the same thing, that there was a batch that was sent to AliExpress. They were sold for $3.99 each, but these were primarily pilot run units that were offered late last year, and that the final export version is not ready for production yet and has been severely delayed by the coronavirus, which several shows ago I mentioned that I was concerned that this virus would delay production of China radios. And here it is. It's happening already. Anacon reports that the factories have been closed since mid-2020. So this is definitely going to be delayed. Here is some information on this website about the final version, what to look for. And I just wanted to pass that on, and I thank the gentleman for sending me the email this morning telling me about where these are. I'm really excited about this radio, but I hope it's much better than the PL-880, which was released before it was finished. And I went through two of them, and the last one I got a little better, but still not perfect. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. That tells me that I'm giving you shows that you're interested in, and I'm not wasting your time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.